Last time on Boat Build.
Hand-laid
Everything
glass.
is done by hand.
Old style.
Old
Old
style.
school.
Old school.
And we've always wanted, you know, look, we love the Hinkleys, right? Everybody
Right.
loves the Hinkleys.
Right.
So and when I told you that, you said, look, we could build something like that, a picnic style boat. So we came up with some sketches and away we go.
This is Boat Build.
All right, Bill, so wow, here's the shop. You know, it looks like you've done some fiberglass work in this shop.
Yeah, it gets a bit dusty. We have to clean every Saturday.
Yeah, great.
But yeah, we're in the middle of building a 24 right now. We just got finished laying down the deck.
Let's take a look in this. So at what stage is this at? Wow, so that's 3/4 inch,
Yep.
marine grade, pressure treated?
No, this is 3/4 CDX. We glass the back sides. We hand cut each piece and fit it. And we put all the Beckett plate holes in, and right now we're pretty ready to start glassing.
So walk me through this. I'm a novice when it comes to fiberglass work, right?
Okay.
So this is all plywood built and molded. How does the mold process work? Just tell me about that. a
Right,
little
we cast the shell, and then when we pull it out, we put the stringers in and whatnot. We have a 4-stringer system. When it comes to the transom, we do a 3/4 laminate, one at a time. So we'll laminate each piece until it dries, and then we'll do another one. We do all the filling, make sure there's no air pockets, and then we cap it off.
And it's all hand laid.
All hand
No
laid.
suction devices here, no machines.
No,
You just
very old school, just like the beginning. We maintain that because we can maintain good quality that way. There's never a question.
So at this stage, the tanks are in, water tanks, freshwater tanks, gas tanks, it's all below
Well,
the deck?
this particular model just has a 60-gallon fuel cell in it. It's going to be a center console with a fiberglass hard top built right on.
Great.
So it'll be plenty of room to walk around. There'll be a small rope locker up front, but very basic fishing boat. A few rod holders, keep it down. That's the simplicity of how we build. So we get the boat built, and then we put in all our hardware. That way it allows the customer to be able to repair anything that we've installed in case down the road it needs to be serviced.
Now what's over here?
The top.
All right, Bill, the top. Tell me about the top.
Yes, this is the top for the 24. One of my guys already trimmed it all up and got it prepped. We leaned it over. We're getting ready to pick it up and put it on top of this boat and set it.
So this is polished? So this looks like is this already gel coated or polished?
Yes, this is gel coated and polished. Of course, we go back, we sand it, tape it off, and then we non-skid it, maybe a different color, or maybe just stay with white. But we always have a polished surface to start with.
And then that gets lifted up and set on, and
Right.
there's the cap.
Right, all done by hand. We manually pick it up and then we set it on, and then I have a jig, and we put our jig on and we bring it together, and then we go inside the boat and we do all our glass, and all our boats are seamless.
What do you mean seamless?
They're all glassed all the way around.
All right.
On the
As
inside.
opposed to what would... brag a little bit. Tell me why your boat is better than something that comes out of a Clorox bottle boat from, a major manufacturer.
Well, the typical assembly line is to take the top, pop it on, and it's an overlap, and they'll send a few screws in there, and then they'll put the rub rail on. And the typical problem with that is they never seal it properly, and then you get the water spraying up in there. We like to go around and glass the entire seam all the way around by hand. It takes a couple of hours to do it, but when we're all done, you have no problems with leakage, and it's twice as strong, and it will never vibrate apart. If something should happen, it's a very simple fix.
I've got to tell you, I'm anxious to go see our 30-footer,
Okay?
our picnic boat, but I've got to tell you, I love this bass boat design. And if we weren't looking for a little bigger boat, something to get us to the vineyard and through Buzzards Bay, I know this will do it, but we want to be comfortable with the family. I would go with this bass boat. It's an awesome design.
Right, each boat that we build has a certain amount of capacity, so if you're gonna be going out front in some really rough seas and you don't wanna have to worry, the 30 is what you wanna do.
Let's go look
take
at
a
it.
look at it.
Awesome.
Next time on Boat Build.
that is a lot of boat build. Sure is. Or a very big hole.
This is Boat Build, right here at The Drift. Presented by Sociable, original social media programming.
Thanks for watching. Keep it right here to watch more episodes of Boat Build, only on The Drift. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Get the drift?